Well, we got another interesting one here. 21CX5 is a no start. You can see at least we got some lights coming on the dashboard. Nothing on yet, so hit the button. Second time round, we still got nothing. It says ignition is on, but she's a blinking, and we got this coming up, and of course a critical malfunction. Of course, at this point, the vehicle does not start, so we will get into checking some things. I was doing some quick checks of all the fuses, and they are all in perfect condition. Note that. We'll come back to that. My accessory relay was coming on, but it should also be turning on the ignition 1 relay, which is there. Been bypassed. But if we do bypass it, here's some things clicking, the lights coming on. And we got a dashboard lit up again, and it will start and move. So I was doing the checks at the relay, so we'll just do them here too. You can see we do have power on there. It's coming out. Good power. But where it should be coming in, we got nothing. Nothing coming in. This will be the control side coming from the start-stop unit. Now, start-stop unit is there, so I did check. And I do have actually power coming out on that. That should be coming out on that wire. And we'll check up here. Take it for granted that I've already found the right one. And we see our light is lit, so I do have power going to there. And from there, it goes out through there to the fuse box. That comes out. See down there, firewall, maybe you can't see. But did find once I lifted up the fuse panel, oh, there's our pink wire hanging out in the middle of nowhere, so just got to fix that. Hey, told you. So nice easy diag, of course makes life way simpler with the uActivate, and of course a couple of test lights so I don't have to take one back and forth.